Hello and welcome to English lesson. Autumn is time of great harvest. Good harvest is important for people and animals. Vegetables and fruit are very healthy and have lots of vitamins. First of all, let's remember, what do animals prefer in food? Rabbit has many cabbages and carrots. Cow has many straws. Squirrel has many nuts and mushrooms. Hedgehog has many apples. Horse has many hay. Donkey has many melons, pumpkins, and watermelons. Sheep has much hay. Pig has many tomatoes and potatoes. I think you can notice words much and many in sentences. How we use them? Much is for uncountable nouns, but many is for countable nouns. And now I want you to do some tasks. Exercise number 1. Put these words in the correct column. Banana, tea, cabbage, juice, nut, melon, pumpkin, coffee, butter, water, hay, potato, milk, honey, sugar, mushroom. Exercise number 2. Look at the pictures, match words and pictures. Straw, cabbage, potato, nut, hay, melon, apple, hay. Okay, our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.